Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Brooke. Today we're going to go through the last Goodwill blue box that I currently have. I have not bought any recently just because the price hike and it's expensive. So I'm trying to find other ways to come across some jewelry. Hopefully I have something lined up for next week. Hopefully it works out because if it does, then I'm gonna have about 500 or 600 pieces to show you. Little thing that I came across, so we'll see what happens with that. But right now we're gonna go through Nashville, Tennessee. This is a Goodwill blue box, and I've had it since March 7th, so it's a little over a month. This is the last one. Hopefully, we get some good stuff. We're gonna open it up. Just real quick to let everybody know, the giveaway video, since this is a holiday weekend, I really didn't think that through. I'm going to post the giveaway video on Monday, the 18th. So I'll post the winner on Monday the 18th, and so stay tuned for that, and good luck to everybody, and let's get this open. All right, this box is jam-packed. Normally there's some space, there's no space in this. So I see a lot of, looks like lots of craft pieces to me. Hopefully not, but let's see what we got. Just tilt the box and let it all dump out. Okay. So first, we have a silver tone cuff bracelet, the little design on it. Let's see. Yeah, it's magnetic, so not too much wear on it. A little bit of discoloration. You can see the copper coming through here, so we'll just put that on in craft. The earring looks like it's shell, and a big nice glass pendant here, which is fine because this can be definitely used for something else. We got another earring here. Apologize for the dog. Every time I sit down now, she comes over here. Look at this. That's interesting. I think these are those buttons again. Yep, ginger snaps. So these are all interchangeable. You can pop them off. We've had a couple of pieces by that before. So little bracelet, that's neat. That's a new one. Just a teal plastic bangle. Ooh. Got bracelets falling out. Piece. Little adjustable piece bracelet. A little gold tone bangle. This one has red enamel and gold. This one is by Monet. It's stamped on the inside. This has got some weight to it, but a lot of tone loss on it. So this looks like a nice little earring. That is cold. So probably rose quartz. Got an earring. Look at that. It's just plastic. Plastic rhinestone. Silver tone ring. Very, very shiny. Let's see. This one's a 7. Okay. See lots of seed bead stuff. So we have a big teal and silver metal bead, seed bead. What would you call that? Like probably a cuff. Yep. And we got a big seed bead necklace here. This is broken. Maybe, yeah. So I'll put this into craft. Can definitely, you know, either put a new clasp on it or take all these beads off and make something new. That's pretty. We got a little stick pin. Okay. I'm not too familiar with stick pins. I do have a couple of them, but I don't know that much about them. It is another one of the things on the list that, you know, I need to research about, but it's a nice gold tone stick pin. We saw that earring, yeah. Okay, so I am blessed. It's very, very worn, so we'll put that into craft. Hopefully somebody can use that cross in another project. And we got a tangle right there. This says 925 on it. It's just a very dainty silver ball not necklace, it's a bracelet. It does say 925 right there with another stamp. So let's see. Yeah, I'll have to test it, but I don't believe it is. It's probably just fake, because you can stamp anything in today's world. So Saint Michael protect us. Okay. This is just a leather cuff style bracelet. Have this very pretty little open work earring. You have one of these bracelets with the faux leather, the little birds, tree of life, and the infinity symbol. Nice colors for fall. This is like a jelly ring. I don't think I've ever seen one like that. That's interesting. Put that in craft. Little earring. Look at this ring. It's missing a bunch of rhinestones, but silver tone. It's got some wear to it. Let's see, we got a little Alex and Ani inspired bangle here with, these are just plastic. You got your little turtles. It looks like it's got some verdigris on it, so I'll just put that in craft. And another earring. That one's got a Premier Design stamp on it. Let's see, we got a gold chain with a magnet stuck to it. Here's the clasp. I don't see, no makers on it. Yep, it's magnetic, so just a twist, a little chunky necklace with a fold over clasp on it. It's got some tone loss to it, but it's not too bad. Alright, so this is by Express. It's got a lot of wear on the clasp area. The pendant is really pretty though. It's just plastic. Very nice. And the chain, you know, is no good, but pendant is pretty. Alright, so we have an earring. Oh, look at this. This shot out. What is this? So this has got a bunch of stamps on the back of it. That says 925. So it says 925 right there. And then it's got some stamps right there. I see steel, but I don't know what the other ones say, so I'll have to look into that and see where this one came from. Hopefully we have the match, because that'd be pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can get this out. I like this little bar necklace right here. Very simple, just goes right through the hook or loop. Okay. Here's the little tree of life. It says 925 in there. So I will test that. I don't know about the chain. Chain says it too. It's picking up, so I'm gonna say that the pendant might be, but the chain is definitely not. So, nice little tree of life necklace, and let's see what this is. So you have a bar that loops through, goes over the neck, and to me, in the light, it looks like the bar is a different color than the rest of it. Yeah, I think the bar has like a champagne gold color to it, and the rest of it is a silver color. So that's pretty. You just wear it like that. That's nice. Okay, get the big guy out. All right. So very jingly acrylic necklace. Very pretty seafoam green color. Looks like all the pieces are there. The chain has got some wear on it, so just put it into craft. Somebody can use these pieces to make other items out of. All right, what is this? Oh, this big tassel. This is by C1946. And it's just all, you get a large tassel, plastic, got these little thread cover balls and some thread here. So just a long necklace. Put this into craft because this tassel is a little worn and the chain is worn. Oh look, the front side has that. All right. I'm not sure. I thought maybe that was somebody's monogram. I can't tell for sure. But it's on this faux pearl that's just gonna go into craft because it's very dirty and worn and kind of gross. Alright, what can we get out? So I hope everybody is having a great weekend so far. We are celebrating a lot of birthdays this month. That says CH18K. So I'll have to test this. That would be nice if we have gold. I'm not sure because it looks worn, but yeah, I don't know. It's just a necklace with little designs on it, little metal panel cutouts. So, all right, put that in the test pile. We have some seashells, some conch shells, very dirty fabric. Let's see, it says King Star right there. And that, I don't know if that's a TH supposed to be, but that's gonna go into craft. We have a little plastic bead off of something. A couple of earrings here. That one's interesting. That one's pretty. Oh, there goes another plastic piece. We have a... Oh no, now the name is escaping me. I can't think of the name of these right now. I'm so sorry. Well, we have one. It just feels like plastic on a cord. Not really a cord. It's kind of like an elastic with a little heart. Maker's Mark. Not sure who that is. But put that over there. Little, we got some aluminum bangles. Here's another one. There's an earring. Okay, what do we got here? Let's move those over. Is this a bracelet? Okay, so this is a bracelet. It's by Premier Design. And it's a silver tone, just dangly bracelet. Actually, I think we got one that is broke here. Or is that the way it's supposed to be? No, I'll yeah, I think I'll just connect them. And let's see where. Probably just connect them because they are kind of pulled apart a little bit. So yeah, I'll just put that back together. I think it's supposed to be 3 strands, and you have all the little dangles hanging down. So that one's nice. It looked like it was in good condition, so that's good. Little pretty earring right there. Another silver tone bangle. It says made in China. Just gold tone and silver tone. I don't see any maker's marks on it. It's kind of, I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be just by looking at it. We have a big rhinestone encrusted hoop. Let's see. Got some more earrings. There's one. Oh, look at this owl. Mr. Owl is very pretty. Okay, got a earring. Alright, so the chain's really worn. He's got some wear to him as well, but silver tone, lots of rhinestones. Very nice, I like him. Okay, we have a cross necklace. Right here. Hold on one second. Okay, we're back. Let's go through. Got another stick pin here with a little butterfly on it. It's a little loose back there. Yeah, this one actually looks in good shape. Other than this being loose, it just doesn't look like it's, you know, very old or worn. But that one's nice. We have an earring and some paper beads, it looks like. They took little pieces of paper and rolled it up and made a memory wire bracelet out of it. You got these pink acrylic pieces floating around. There is this little bib style necklace. It looks like, yeah, I think it's missing a clasp. Right here. So it's just faux pearls. They're plastic, very lightweight. I'll put that in craft. We have a little darker green plastic bangle. This is very chunky. So this is a pendant, necklace enhancer. Has the magnetic closure on the back with snakeskin print on it. The back is very pretty. I don't see any maker's marks on it, but that's a good, it's a nice size pendant. Got a really pretty little pink quartz. It is cold. Little pendant, that one's cute. A lot of pinks. I see a lot of pinks in this box. This is very worn and gross. Put that over there. We have an earring. Here is a just little cable style bangle. I don't see any maker's marks on it, so we'll look at it and see if it's anything special. Here we have another beaded, so there's all the seed beads in there, and here's the toggle clasp that they made out of seed beads. And then you have all of these pieces of glass that are sewn in after. There we go. Okay. So you have all of these pieces of glass that are sewn in to the seed beads on the back. Very nice. There's some really interesting glass in here. You know, this has a green and pink shift. So, very nice. This is like, you know, I would call this like a confetti bracelet, but very nice. Lots of work to do those. Here's a pendant. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it looks like it's very tarnished. You have this tiny little ring, and it is marked on the inside. I don't know, let's see. It looks like there's a 6, and then it has an arrow going through a U. And it looks really small. Yeah, it's not a 6. It's more of a 5.5. Very tiny, yeah. Nope. It's got some pull. I mean, I'll probably test it and see maybe if it's sterling plated, but I'll look up that Maker's Mark too, and if I find it, I'll put it on the screen here. Another earring. Here is a tortoiseshell. This faux tortoiseshell. I think it's a bangle, but it is very small. Yep. Okay, we got another memory wire. This is copper, or looks like copper, with these has looks like copper color. I couldn't get the words out. So we got these teal balls with copper color, copper colored these little caps that you can move around. That's interesting. Okay, I found the pink necklace that's broken. I'll wait for that. This is pretty. It is adjustable. So you have black and kind of like a gunmetal, smoky color rhinestones. Right now, it's almost a 6, but it is adjustable, so it could be in any size. That one's nice. Looks like, I think all the rhinestones are there. Yep. Look at this big earring. It's interesting how there's like yellow in the center. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Here's a rose gold earring that has seen better days. Look at that. Looks like it's on copper. That's pretty. There's cat's eye right there. You have AB crystals right there. On the outside is just blue crystals with no AB. That is stunning. I do like that. So it is adjustable, but right now it's about, where are you at? 5.5? Yeah. Pretty. Alright, like that. Got an earring. Little kid's bangle. Have a little watch that has lost the watch part. You have a little clip-on earring that says remove. So it must light up. That's interesting. Alright, I see a little evil eye bracelet. This is by Express. So silver tone, blue, evil eyes. What is this one? This one does not have a name on the tag. This is all acrylic, plastic. So I got a nice little drop here. It's a pretty necklace. The chain is in good condition, does have an extender on it. Oh, I struggle with these so bad. So, not bad. Here is another. I wonder if they were supposed to be earrings or they're just bangles. I guess they could be either or. Alright, we got a little knot going on here and a teeny tiny cross necklace. Well, I just can't get my hands to work properly today. Okay. So that says 925 silver on the tag. It is stamped 925 in the center of the cross right there. So cute little cross necklace. I will test it. Nope. Look at that. Yeah, it's all sticking. That's unfortunate. So doesn't look like we have silver there. We have a little plastic pendant, heart pendant, with a gold tone chain. Chain's in good condition. Looks nice. Okay, here is a over the head. Yeah, because I don't see a clasp on this one. So just a bunch of acrylic plastic pieces. Does have that, you know, cloudy crackle look to it. You got these little, I don't even think these are real metal. That one's nice. Here's some more pieces to that necklace. I got more. Here's another one that broke. So, oh no, it actually all came off the same one. Okay, so we'll just pull it out. Those are glass. So we got some nice glass pieces in there that I'll have to look for and put off to the side, but these are all just plastic. Okay, I don't know what this was, but it looks like whatever it was, it's now broken. You just have these big rhinestones and these brass colored links. Put it in a craft. These are great pieces to reuse. Got an earring. We got some more necklaces all caught up. Well, that was easy. Okay, so this kind of looks like a J, maybe an initial necklace. Kind of a big J, but you got a gold tone chain. Yep, it's magnetic, so nice little necklace there. We have this one with these little, let's see, yep, 5 panels, blue, white. The chain looks okay. Actually, I think it's a little worn, so put that into craft. Little geometric necklace is nice. We got more of the paper beads. So this one's got some different colors, yeah, than the other one. Lots of reds and yellows in this one. We have a wood bangle. That is one big earring. We'll put that over there because it's gross. Got a hoop. I see a charm bracelet. What do we have here? So just a bunch of little charms. Got a little flower right there with some enamel on it. Got a little, would that be a butterfly? A little scroll, heart, leaf. There's an elephant. Trunk up for good luck. Little bird, another heart. Actually, this might be broken. No, it connects right there. Okay. So, then these are, it might be glass. We got a little cactus pin. Gold tones in nice shape on the back, so that's nice. The earring, 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 there's an earring. Let's see, some more. That's actually a pendant, put that down. Got some more earrings. I don't see any matches to the last set that we had, which is a bummer. These are all new earrings. Here we have a little, those be doves and a heart. This is by Avon. So, cute little dainty gold tone necklace by Avon. There is wear on the back and a little bit on the front too. Okay, we got another earring. This one, probably test that. It just has that look to it. It's a pretty earring. Piece to something. Oh, look at that. Looks really old. Doesn't feel cold, so I'm not sure. I do have the Presidium over there. We'll put that to the side. We'll do that at the end. How about that? And go ahead and turn that on so it'll be ready to go. There's an earring. There's an earring. We got the back to an earring. All right, I'm just gonna dump out the rest of this box. Get all the littles out of the way. So we got some more glass. There's a big rhinestone. Yeah, all these little earrings. Look at this teeny tiny little earring right here. It says 925, so test that. That's a seed bead. Tons of these pieces. Okay. Oh, we got another ring. Okay, it says 925. Probably not. That's very pretty. It's dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. And put that with the Presidium as well. All right, let's try to get this out. All right. It's got some random seed beads everywhere. So this says 80R. Not sure what that means, but it's a seed bead necklace with chain, gold tone chain. It looks like it's double stranded, but I'm not sure if this is, yeah, it's just a long dangle. Okay. So this is just a long dangle that hangs down. You have a very long extender. It looks like it's broken a little bit. All right, I'm just gonna put this into craft because it's got some issues going on. All right, this is a, looks like it's a religious necklace. It has a cross right there. You got some faux pearls. Where is it? Okay. So, triple strand. Has a toggle clasp. Looks like it's in good shape. These are faux pearls, plastic. And that pendant right there at the bottom. That's a pretty little statement earring right there. Alright, so we have this pendant. And we have this chain. So I wonder if this somehow came off. Well, I'll just make it a necklace. So, little sun pendant necklace. It's got a little seed bead pendant collar necklace right there. Earring. We got more of those pieces. Lots and lots and lots of earrings. Look at that, that's pretty. Little, first I thought it was a ladybug. It kind of reminded me of a ladybug. Alright, so we got these wire necklaces and they are all tangled together. I may have to pause the video and come back if they don't behave. This one is silver tone. It has an extender, a lobster claw clasp. Has a bunch of yellow and black. Looks like dyed shell pieces. This one's interesting. Okay. So this is pretty. I don't know if that's glass or what that is in there, but it is cold. I don't see any kind of maker's mark on it. I'll test it for silver. And let's put the Presidium on it and see what it says. Even though I know it's not gonna be 100% because that's not a gemstone. So we just have this. It probably was a bracelet at one point, but now it's broke. This has the earrings attached to the necklace. So you just have some pink glass with little earrings. The chain and the earrings have some wear to them. Some more pieces right there. Here's another earring. Lots of earrings all caught up. There's one. Here's another one. And another one. These actually match, I believe. Test these for sterling. A little cross earring. Another earring. Got a hoop. There's an earring. Okay, all right, so you come out over here. This is just a aluminum bangle. It's going to go in craft since it's broken. Lots of littles in here. Look at this earring. This one's pretty. That's really pretty. Nice fiery red. Earring. Okay. So I like this. This is a gunmetal with black plastic pieces, gunmetal chain. It's in really good condition. This one's by Talbot's. And this is just a silver tone collar style necklace. This is going to go into craft because it's got a lot of wear to it. We have a little abalone dolphin pendant. I have quite a few of these actually, so I might just make a charm bracelet with all of them. Take them off the necklaces, put them on a charm bracelet. That would be really pretty. I'll have to see how many I have. This is just a long over the head necklace. You have gold tone with these really pretty plastic peach and coral colored stations. That one's nice for summer. Now this is really interesting. So you have these little glass pieces right here. Oh, they're ladybugs. Okay. So, where's the red one at? Yeah, here you go. But they're made out of glass. You got the little feet on the bottom. That's really neat. So you got a red one, a blue one, a green one. He's fat. He's a lot bigger than the rest of them. So is this one too. But that's very interesting. I like that. And cute little ladybugs. Oh, I like how they put the red one at the bottom so you could tell what it is. Alright. I understand. I got it. I like that. Alright, where do we go? Okay, looks like we are down to the last 2, maybe 3. Looks like we got a bunch of multi-strands and this wire wrapped together, which is always fun. So, just like always, just start unhooking. Let me know what you guys think about, I'm actually going to do a poll since I have the community tab up now, so I can stay in better contact. Let me know what you think about me doing a purse unboxing. I was able to snatch, I've been collecting the purse boxes from Goodwill BlueBox. I have 3 of them right now. That I've gathered, so if anybody would be interested in doing an unboxing and seeing what we got, let me know. I know that this channel is, you know, primarily, can't speak again, jewelry, but if anybody is interested, let me know and we can do something a little different on a future video. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more of the purse boxes right now. They are really hard to get and I don't have the focus right now that it takes to, you know, go and make sure that you can get one. You know, I should have opened one up before I bought the other 2, but I didn't, so we'll see. We will see how that goes. If everybody leaves me comments saying yes. Okay, so this is going to go into craft. It is very worn. It's all plastic, but very nice pieces that can be reused. This right here, I don't even know. Oh, looks like we got 2 in here, so let me work on this a minute. Hopefully it's not a multi-strand and it'll just unravel itself. Maybe it's 3 necklaces. I don't know, there's quite a bunch in here. Or maybe this, yeah, I think the seed bead one is just extremely long. Yeah. Okay, so alright, I apologize for the delay. I know, I hope I'm not boring anybody. Okay, we are almost there. That was like wrapped around a million times. it seems like. Okay, so I think it's 2 necklaces. We got a really long one with this gold tone chain that has seed beads going through it. And then we have this one, which has this little piece and this piece. But I think I'm just gonna call it quits on this because it is wrapped a million times around the chain. And, oh, okay, wait a minute. Come on. Yeah, this is okay. So let me get the Presidium. This is just gonna go over there. We have this one. These feel like real stone. This one is a little wood 5-panel necklace. Really pretty. I like the colors on that. The chain is really worn. Okay, let me see. Get this in so you can see it. All right, let's try this, see what this is. That's coming up on glass. Okay, so that one's glass. Yep, that's coming up on glass too. Let's get this little earring out since we have, there we go. Yep, so it might be pink topaz because it did, want to try it. It did go up to the topaz line. But now it's up at the jadeite line, so maybe pink jade, that's nice. Okay, let's get this little earring. It's just glass. We'll get the ring. Glass. Let's get this pretty red stone. So that went outside of glass. It's really dark, so it might be a garnet. I'll have to look at that one. And then let's do this necklace. Yeah, it's staying in glass, but I do think it's something. I'll have to look and see. Maybe, you know, maybe a jasper. It's very pretty, whatever it is. Okay, so that is it. That's all we have for today. Stay tuned and we'll see what happens next week. Hopefully I can get my hands on those pieces because that would be amazing. And let me know what your favorite piece was from the box in the comments. I appreciate everybody that entered the giveaway. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the video. Will come out Monday, the 18th. And I will see you in the giveaway video. Y'all have a good weekend and see you later. Bye-bye.